Hello everybody. Today we're going to showcase the installation process of our new 3-inch and 4-inch fascia in the reverse roll configuration. So before we install the fascia cover, please ensure that the roller shade is installed on the brackets. Please orient the fascia cover in the reverse roll orientation. Hook the bottom of the extrusion onto the bracket on both sides, and it should be on a pivot at the bottom. Once it's fixed on both sides, just press up top and you'll hear an audible click. Please ensure the fascia extrusion is tight and the install is done. Once the fascia cover is installed, we can install the flat guard to cover the bracket. Please make sure the side with the ridge is facing inwards towards the shade. Once the guard is installed, make sure the fascia extrusion cover is still intact and the guard is seated in properly. So our final step is to install the fascia end cap cover onto the mounting bracket. We start off by peeling off the yellow liner. Make sure the fascia cover is not extending over the bracket and the face is clean. We can use the end cap cover and cover the mounting bracket. Press on all 4 sides, making sure the cap is fully on. And now you have your fascia system up and running.